Ever wondered if your morning coffee money could actually be working for you instead of just disappearing? You know, that spare change that accumulates in your physical wallet, or even just the mental spare change you have each week after bills. What if you could easily put that to work and watch it grow, without all the fuss of traditional investing? That's where Raiz comes in, and today, we're diving deep into a question many of you have asked. Can you really use Raiz as a savings account? Now, on the surface, Raiz looks a lot like a super smart piggy bank. You link your accounts, it rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar, and invests that spare change. Or, you can set up recurring deposits, even lump sums. It's designed to make investing feel effortless, almost invisible. But here's the crucial distinction: while a traditional savings account offers a guaranteed, albeit often low, interest rate and your principal is protected, Raiz invests your money in a portfolio of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. This means your money is exposed to the market. So, what does that actually mean for your hard-earned cash? It means that, unlike a savings account, your investment in Raiz can go up, and it can go down. This is the fundamental difference between saving and investing. A savings account is about capital preservation and predictable, albeit modest, growth. Investing with Raiz is about aiming for potentially higher returns over the long term, but with the understanding that there's an element of risk involved. Think of it this way: if you're saving for a short-term goal, like an emergency fund or a down payment you'll need in the next year or two, a traditional high-interest savings account is generally the safer bet. You need that money to be there, and you can't afford market fluctuations. However, if you're looking at a longer time horizon, say 3 to 5 years or more, and you're comfortable with some volatility, Raiz starts to look a lot more appealing. The power of compounding over time, even with small, consistent contributions, can be truly remarkable. Raiz offers different portfolio options, from conservative to aggressive, allowing you to choose a risk level that aligns with your comfort zone. This flexibility is a huge plus, but it also reinforces the point: you're making investment choices, not just stashing cash. They also have features like Raiz Rewards, which gives you cashback that's automatically invested, and even a found money feature where brands contribute to your investments when you shop with them. These are fantastic ways to organically grow your investment without feeling like you're constantly dipping into your wallet. However, it's essential to remember the fees. While they might seem small, especially for larger balances, they can eat into your returns, particularly on smaller amounts. Always factor in the monthly fees and portfolio expense ratios when considering your net gains. Ultimately, while Raiz is an excellent tool for making investing accessible and encouraging good financial habits, it's not a direct substitute for a traditional savings account, especially for short-term goals or money you absolutely cannot afford to lose. Think of Raiz as your long-term growth engine, a way to get your money working harder for you in the market, even with small amounts. It's about building wealth over time through smart, consistent investing, rather than simply accumulating static savings. If you understand and accept the inherent market risk, then Raiz can be a powerful part of your financial strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.